Got a green line on your Android screen? Here are quick fixes and a tool to help solve this display issue. Part 1. Why is there a green line on Android phone screen? Panel failure, display fault, loose cable, bad connection, damaged drops or water, overheating, heat issue, software bugs, system errors, GPU issues, display glitches, defects, panel problems, wear, aging parts. Part 2. How to get rid of green line on Android phone screen. Fix 1. Don't use a flame near your phone. Fix 2. Alter display settings. Fix 3. Cool down your phone. Fix 4. Remove faulty apps. Fix 5. Use safe mode. Fix 6. Update phone firmware. Fix 7. Perform a factory reset. Fix 8. Reach out to the manufacturer. Fix 9. Visit a trusted third-party repair shop. Part 3. Fix green line on Android phone screen with a specialized tool. Android Repair can fix software issues causing green lines, such as black screens, boot loops, freezes, and update failures. It works without root, but can't repair hardware damage. How to fix Android green line with Android Repair. Step 1. Launch the tool and connect your device. Download and open the Android Repair tool on your computer. Connect your Android phone via USB. Then choose Android Repair from the left side menu. Step 2. Select the repair function and enter device details. The tool will show the Android issues it can fix. Review the list. Click Start. Enter your device information and select Next to continue. Step 3. Confirm the repair and enter download mode type in the required field and click Confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Android phone into download mode. Note that the repair process may erase data on devices other than Samsung, Poco, Xiaomi, or Redmi phones. Step 4. Download firmware and start repair. Once your phone enters download mode, click Next to download the matching firmware. After the download finishes, select Fix Now to complete the repair and remove the issue.